In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a problem with a Wayfair item. Sometimes things don't go exactly as planned with our purchases, and that's perfectly okay. Wayfair has a straightforward process to help resolve any issues you might encounter with their products. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to wayfair.com. Once you're on the website, the next step is to navigate to your account. You'll find this option typically at the top right corner of the page. Hover over or click on the account section to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select My Orders. This section is your go-to for reviewing all your past and current purchases with Wayfair. Now that you're in the My Orders section, the real task begins. Browse through your list of orders until you locate the specific item that you're experiencing issues with. There's usually a significant amount of information here, so take your time to ensure you've got the right product. Once you've found the item in question, look for an option to report an issue with it. This might be labeled as "problem with this order" or something similar. Click on this option to proceed with reporting your issue. Upon selecting to report a problem, you'll be presented with a series of on-screen instructions. This is where you'll need to provide details about the issue you're facing. Be as specific as possible to make it easier for Wayfair's customer service team to understand and assist you effectively. Describe what's wrong with the item and how it differs from your expectations or what's specified in the order. An essential part of the reporting process is to upload photos. If at all possible, take clear images of the entire item to give a comprehensive view of the problem. It's crucial to include images that highlight the issue, like damages or discrepancies. For instance, if the item's size is incorrect, photos that display the measurements, possibly indicated on the packaging, will be helpful. These visual aids play a critical role in backing up your claim, making the process smoother and often quicker. Once you've submitted all the required information and uploaded any necessary photos, follow any additional prompts to finalize your report. Wayfair's team will then take care of the rest, reviewing your submission and guiding you through the resolution process. And there you have it, a complete guide to reporting a problem with a Wayfair item. Whether you're dealing with a minor inconvenience or a significant issue, knowing how to navigate this process can help resolve matters efficiently. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for you and you're now better prepared to handle any product issues with confidence. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay informed about all your purchases to ensure the best possible experience.